Hey everybody, Alan here, the science guy from Discovery Naturals, answering your questions about our natural hair color. One of the questions we get is, do you need to let our hair color sit before applying it for an hour, 2 hours, 3 hours? The answer to that is no, you do not need to let our hair color sit. Our hair colors are finely ground and finely sifted, which means that when you mix them with water, there's more surface area in contact with the water, which means they're activated immediately and starting to release their color immediately. So you want to apply them immediately after you mix them. The only time you would want to delay, as it says in our instructions, is if you're getting too much of the blue or purplish tones which come from the indigo plant dye. By delaying application a little bit, you will enhance the reddish tones and decrease the bluish purplish tones. So you might want to wait 15 minutes in that situation. But if you're not sure about that, you want to apply right away. Again, one of the things we always say, strand test and spot test. For me, I can't strand test. I don't have long enough hair. A spot test would mean putting a spot here or a spot here, or somewhere where you can't really see it, to see how your hair takes our natural hair colors and see if you have any issues with more reddish tones or more bluish purplish tones. And if you do, you adjust your application technique accordingly. So hope that answers your question regarding needing to delay application or not. As always, if you have any questions, you can reach out to us via phone 702-967-0755 or email us at help@discoverynaturals.com. We'll see you next time. Thanks.